Who dey sell car? I need choose. Cho.
Bro, how far now?
Who dey do that far? Customer wan buy things this
Sorry.
time.
Oh, sorry.
I want to buy expensive car, heavyweight car that worth more than 100 million.
100 million?
Yeah.
Well, this BMW X6M 2021 competition. This car is 170 million naira. Can you buy it?
170
million naira.
70 million is a change. Bring key and receipt. Also, so.
Sir?
You want collect? Bring key and receipt.
Okay, follow me, sir. Follow me.
Oga, bring receipt now. I fit buy this car without receipt o.
Sorry.
Buy things without receipt. Okay,
bro.
you are here.
Yeah. Thank you.
Wow, my name is there. Ojibi Curtis. So later, bros.
What do you mean by later, bro? You never pay now.
Curtis no dey pay for anything. But for the love I have for you as my brother, take 1,000 naira.
Sorry?
Hold 1,000 naira out of 170 million. So you calculate how much go remain. Wetin you dey calculate? Give me money make I take buy fuel. Abi you wan collect? Who dey sell food? Who dey sell? Sorry, who dey sell car?
And action.
Okay.
Ah,
Again.
you go. It's fake.
Action.
Fila no follow.
Oh,
Fila no fall.
sharp. This one please.
Now yes, I was drop am. Ah, omo, you dey crazy thing dey hit me o. Wait. Oh yeah.
Let's go pick up.
No, just put am.
Let's go pick up and no one. You go do am. And
Yeah.
action.
You no fall.
You laugh. You don't fall in. You laugh.